Well, hello, this is Bill, and I've been here in this spot for about maybe 4 minutes, and we have another eastbound Burlington Northern Santa Fe. And this train is for you, Rob. Yes, absolutely, buddy. Looks like a coal train. Yep, from Northern Santa Fe eastbound. Going at a nice perfect speed, I must admit. How you doing? Yeah! 8568. That was for you too. I got some kids behind me that are riding their bikes and stuff. Yeah, probably going to the Powder River Basin. I wouldn't doubt it. That's the only one I know of. What a nice sound. I've said it before, but yeah, it's a nice sound. I wish we could get a westbound, that'd be really nice, but that's okay. Well, flip it around, see what the sun does. Sometimes it just glistens off the cars. It's very beautiful. And this is a long one. Yeah, it's not too bad of a day. A little chilly, partly cloudy. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, he was down over by University and he stopped. I thought, oh, okay, we're going to get a westbound. Nope, he turned his lights back on and there he goes. All right, let's flip around. Yeah, yesterday I worked really hard, and I tell you one thing, my whole body's in pain. Oh, legs, back. Ah. And there's the end locomotive, coming up here real soon. Oh, Canadian Pacific, how cool. 6203. That was beautiful. What a beautiful train that was. All right. I might wait one more here. I think it's almost time for dinner. All right, everybody, take care. Like I said, take care of yourselves and take care of each other. And peace. Bill out.